everyone, this is Miss Jerome from Sparkling Memories. Today we're actually looking at different decorations. We have the decoration for the Valentine's Day. In front of you, we have the first set. We have like stickers as we go along here. If you might not notice, we're already in the Dollar Tree. And you know, the Dollar Tree always have things ahead of time. Best part about being in Dollar Tree, everything's $1. We look at the different decorations. And the thing is, it depends on what you want to do and what kind of project you have. You buy this stuff and then you do your own decorating and your own projects. I love the fact that everything is $1. Makes it a lot easier, especially when you have a budget and you're going for different ideas. You can totally go to the Dollar Tree. Just keep in mind, Dollar Tree is a little different from Dollar General, and with the Dollar Tree, everything is $1. See all the cute little decorations. What we are going to do is pick up a few things and then take it from there. Then we have flowers, you know, you have your late springtime and things of that nature. You can totally do that. And they have all the regular stuff too. I see they look like a lot of green. This green reminds me of St. Patrick's Day. You know, a little leprechaun and all that kind of stuff. All this bright green. It also reminds me of Christmas too. What is this? Hot. So you have like fake gold and stuff. That is totally different. So I guess St. Patrick's Day might be another holiday coming up. That's where they have all these different decorations. See? Irish. Oh, look, the little leprechaun. That is crazy. And all this green. So you can decorate the outside of your home. Make it a little bit more festive. And then you just take it from there. We just do a little walk around and then see what else this Dollar Tree have. Along here we have the cards. These cards are $1. They have from the birthday, and you get 2 for $1. So you get a little deal, even though you're still in a dollar store. This is where you have those late parties, especially if you like to entertain. You buy your little thing. Especially if you have a theme, you have a different color. These have the plates, the tablecloth. They have balloon of various different colors. I know inside the Dollar Tree looks like a lot of stuff because it is, and depending on what you're doing, it's good. Especially that when you're having a party, these things that be temporary and any things that you will use constantly. So that's another reason you could check out the Dollar Tree versus Dollar General. Things might be at $5, $10 or more, depending on what you're buying from them and what you're planning to do with that stuff. See, all of this. This is so cute. This is if you're having like a baby shower and you buy these little temporary little items. You can make a little gift basket, do a little DIY. So you have all the little party specials too. What I'm trying to do is get something set up where I do something, at least something for Valentine's Day, you know. And this is like the late party bags. Some say happy birthday, happy anniversary, celebrating. Because of course, you know, people's birthday coming up. The New Year's just went. The weekends just went. So you gotta improvise. So we're just gonna walk through. See if you have the plain stuff too. Now if you don't want to do this, that's fine. But at least you know when you come to the dollar store, you have options. Like this one is like for the toys section. The first section was a party section. This is where all the little toys is for the kids. And trust me, when you have a kid, they will use the toy for a little bit. Next thing you know, you have to buy and replace. So buying them cheap, yes, it's good for $1, but they might be destructible like most things are. I like the fact that this one has puzzles. That's what you see in front of you. And of course, if they like to color, we have here the markers plus the different stickers and different things you could color. Like right in front of you have the Simba. See, there's so much stuff. There's so much stuff, so many things falling off the shelf literally. Oh my goodness. So much stuff, right? And once you go through it, you can totally understand where I'm coming from. Especially if you're a person that like to decorate, you gotta try this out. And this is just the second aisle, so imagine what the other aisles might have, right? Look at this. I like these cute little things. These look like if you want to decorate your yard, especially have your like plant stuff. You can put these little decoration like the chimes. They have one that's flowers. I'm not quite sure what these are. I need my Louis for the light in front of me, and then have the flowers, the gloves, different styles. I say this to say a lot of people don't even consider the dollar store, but I'm giving you a walkthrough exactly what you can actually find, especially people who might not even think of even shopping in there. But if you do, at least you get a walkthrough as far as what you could possibly purchase and what you could possibly get. Because you come in here for at least $50, you could end up with at least 48 items plus tax, and you still good. And the thing is, if you go other places, you can't get the same item, but I guarantee it's not going to be $1. That's the only difference if you're shopping at Dollar Tree versus if you're shopping elsewhere. Yes, elsewhere has items and you can purchase them, but if you start in a new apartment or you just came into an area and you're not familiar and you see a Dollar Tree sign, check it out. Each Dollar Tree is not created equal, okay? So even though you might see the stuff in here, that don't mean every Dollar Tree you go to will have all this stuff. I particularly like this one because it has so many stuff that I haven't seen in other Dollar Tree. And here we have like the things for your pets. Of course, walk through, you can put your planners, you can put your like foods. We do so many things with this. And if you have a color theme, guess what? They got you covered. You see, you have the red, the orange, the blue, the green, the classic black, the white. So you even have toys for your animals and stuff. So don't just bypass the Dollar Tree and say, well, everything is so cheap, I don't want to do that, and I don't want to shop there. It's your choice. Believe in me, I'm not saying everybody that shop here, but you can. And you want to know what a Dollar Tree have it until you actually go in there. So for instance, like this. These are workman tools. They have the gloves, they have locks, they have a leveler, some hooks, they have a saw here. See, the workman tools. When you actually go, we even have a tiny little toolboxes here. See along here, the tiny little toolbox. Buy your little tools and you go from there. Now, I'm not saying only cheap people are shopping here, but people who want to be fruitful and actually get it accomplished, look right here. You can see 6 packs of screwdriver set. How cool is that? And that's $6. They have the different styles too. Workman tools in a Dollar Tree. How many places you could say you could go to and find these items at this price? Yes, it's $1 per change, but guess what? So you have socks, and in not only one pair. Some of these here have 2 pairs, 3 pairs. Okay? So it depends on you and which one you go to. Because like I said before, all Dollar Tree is not the same. Each one have their own items and their own preference as far as what you can purchase. Like here, this is a late section for your phone and your tablet, your flashlight, your batteries. You can't go wrong with that. And here you have the hair supplies and stuff, like brushes and stuff. How cool is that? I know I like it. Like brush and all that good stuff. We gonna walk through here, so we'll go around because it got quite a bit of shoppers in here still. So we're gonna go back down this way and then take it from there. Yes, you don't have a lot of people being here during the weekday. That's another key. If you're off during the week and you happen to need a few things and you don't want to go to all the popular other stores, check out the Dollar Tree. It is a really cool place to be. Oh, I love this section here. See that shampoo, conditioner, and it smells good too. See, they have the well-known brand like VO5. They have Suave over here. And of course, they have a hand soap. So till next time, this is Miss Sita from Sparkling Memories. Bye bye.